Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now we'll look at the headlines. BJP comes out with a tentative list of candidates, all sitting MLAs except Canacona to get ticket. Some frontrunners identified, contest between BJP leaders in some constituencies. Senior Rane clears his stand on SEZ scam, says he has no role in allotting land to SEZ, blames IDC board for not scrutinizing proposals before allotment, calls Parikar's complaint ignorant. Congress supports RP. Morvin Godino says 15 more days for people to register their inputs on RP in TCP. No demolition of houses for road widening. Dr. Aditya does the Singham Act in real. Raids Club Virgin at Kalangut with his special team after receiving prostitution complaint, rescues 14 girls, arrests 9 pimps. Tolge Osbe goal separates East Bengal and Sporting Club de Goa in the I-League. Sporting custodian Gerard de Mello heroics keeps score down to 1-0. And Goa women's cricket has found a new sense of responsibility, says coach Purnima Rao. Girls prepare for December-bound T20 tournament to be held in Porvoori. And now the news in detail. BJP has finalized a tentative list of 22 candidates. All sitting MLAs except Canacona will be given a ticket. Decision about Canacona will be made during the second phase of ticket distribution. BJP has identified some frontrunners in non-BJP constituencies, whereas in other constituencies there is a contest between BJP leaders for the ticket. The party is undecided about some major constituencies.
In a major development, BJP has finalized list of 22 frontrunners for different constituencies in Goa. All sitting MLAs will most probably get the ticket, whereas BJP has identified some prominent in non-BJP constituencies. Here is the list of probables in some of such constituencies. Pedne Rajendra Arlekar, Aldona Glenn Tiklo, Kalangut Michael Lobo, Kurtsade Nilesh Cabral. Apart from these constituencies, there is tough fight between some of the front runners for BJP ticket. Kepe Prakash S. Vedip versus Prakash A. Vedip. Sakhli Suresh Amodkar versus Pramod Sawant. Canacona Ramesh Tavadkar versus Vijay Paikhoth. BJP is still undecided about some major constituencies like Bicholi, Porvoori, Madgaon, Savadne, Pariya and Vasco. All the MLAs except in disputed constituencies like Canacona will contest for the forthcoming election. Senior leaders of the party like Damu Naik will head the tough South Goa campaign for BJP. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Speaker of Goa Assembly and former CM of Goa Pratap Singh Rane has made it clear that he has no role in allotting land to SEZs. He says that it is the responsibility of the IDC board to scrutinize proposals while allotting land. Senior Rane says that Parikar's move of filing criminal complaint against him in the alleged SEZ scam is politically motivated.
Being the head of the government then, various people want to invest in Goa. And some of the top people used to come and meet me. I say, yes, I direct them to the concerned managing director or the chairman of that particular corporation. Now, as far as allotment of land, etc., is to be done by a board of directors of the Industrial Development Corporation. It's a board, and board is an independent body.
Speaker of Goa Assembly and former CM of Goa, Pratap Singh Rane, held a press briefing in Porvorim Assembly Complex on Monday. Rane said, as the then Chief Minister of the state, his intention was to generate employment opportunities and bring good industries in the state.
In the interest of our own youth, whatever decisions may have been taken, we were in good faith. And I have no influence whatsoever in allotments of land, plots, etc. by the IDC.
Rane charged that opposition leader Manohar Parrikar's move of filing criminal complaint against him in the alleged SEZ scam is politically motivated.
So somebody is pointing fingers at me must be very ignorant about administration. I'm sad to say that. Or pleading ignorance, or maybe pleading ignorance just because the election may be around the corner.
Earlier on December 2nd, leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar had filed a criminal complaint against Pratap Singh Rane, Luisin Filero, Babu Kawrekar and other board members of the IDC, alleging scam of rupees 400 crores in SEZ allotment. Parrikar has also threatened that he will approach the court if police fail to file a FIR in this case. A reporter from Panji, Basuri Desai, with video journalist Sarvesh Vayuskar for Prudent Media.
Congress has backed RP and has maintained that it should not be cancelled at any cost. State Congress spokesperson Movin Gudino cleared his party's stand during a press conference. Movin has said that houses will not be demolished for road widening and party will speak to the church and others on the RP issue. People will now get 15 more days to register their inputs on RP at Town and Country Planning Department.
Congress has backed Regional Plan 2021. Government has extended the time limit for people to highlight discrepancies in the plan. Town and Country Planning Department will accept suggestions for the next 15 days.
I would appeal to the people, rather than getting agitated, please apply your mind, please give us valuable suggestions, please go and represent to these committees, please make your point, whatever you want to make, as and when the hearings will be kept. And even before the hearing starts, as I said, we will be giving another 15 days so that people have ample opportunity, ample time to express their grievances. But let us not just dump a document which has been so carefully and meticulously created or sought to be created for the sake of Goa.
Movin Gudino has welcomed the stand of Goa Bachao Abhiyan on RP. Goa Bachao Abhiyan had advocated rectification in Regional Plan 2021. Movin Gudino has said that he will speak with all the parties objecting to the regional plan, including the church.
Is there no effort being made by the Congress to reach out to the church and say that we are going to solve your problem?
Congress is very much concerned, and Congress will have due regard in explaining to them exactly why this particular regional plan is required, and whatever objections they have, I am sure they do not just want the whole thing to be dumped, though they may be saying it. It is a way of sort of demanding certain things. But they certainly will have some very strong points which we will take note of.
Gudino has also assured that government will not demolish any house for road widening and union land acquisition policy will be implemented in the state for any further acquisitions. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.